called range. Okay, we can also use this for loop with that range as well. Okay, the Python range function will generate a sequence of number. For example, when I have a range of 10, this will generate number from 0 up to 9 for me. Okay, this range is how it's working. But we can use a for loop within this range to get the element or the value that we are trying to get. So how? We have for I in range of for example 10. Okay, and here I'm going to just print the number is I. Okay, now if I save it and run it again, you see that it is giving me from 0 up to 9. So here we use range. Okay, we use for loop and then we use this range to have this all value within this range. Okay, this range have a syntax. So what is the syntax for range? Let me show you that too. So we have range. Okay, we have the start, and also in here we have stop. For example, start from 2 up to, for example, 200. And also we have step size here. Okay, so by default the step size is going to be 1, I think, if you don't provide any element here. But when you provide it, so it will use that element that you're going to provide. So let me just use another element here. For example, I'm going to use from 12 up to 59. Okay, and save it. Now when I run it, let's see, it starts from 12. Okay, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16 up to 58. Okay, and also we have the size. Okay, step size as well. Let me give 4 here and see what is going to happen. Okay, when I run it, you see we have 12, and then we have plus 4, which is 16, plus 4, which is 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. So it is how we can use for within a range. Okay, range function.